To buy DoorDash with Cash App, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the Cash App and DoorDash apps installed on your device. If not, download them from the App Store. Open the Cash App and navigate to the dashboard. Tap the Cash Card tab. Then select Get Cash Card. If you already have a Cash Card, proceed to the next step. Apply for a Cash Card if you don't have one, as it is required to make purchases on DoorDash. Fill in the required information and follow the prompts to complete the application. Once you have your Cash Card, open the DoorDash app and select the food you want to order. Proceed to checkout and select Cash Card as your payment method. Enter your Cash Card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You can find these details in the Cash App. Confirm your order and wait for the food to arrive. You will receive an email with the order details and a receipt. To avoid any issues, ensure you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account to cover the cost of the order. Also, be aware of any fees associated with using the Cash Card, such as instant deposit fees. By following these steps, you can easily buy DoorDash with Cash App. The process is straightforward and convenient, allowing you to enjoy your favorite food without hassle.